Secretary for Interior, Professor Kindiki, and the Minister of State for Security of the UK government, Minister Tom. We've had a series of engagements focusing on the compact agreements that began in 2018. Allow me to invite the Cabinet Secretary for Interior and National Administration, Professor Kindiki, to take us through the rest of the session. Thank you.
Thank you, Raymond. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As you've been informed, this morning, my colleague, Minister Tom, and I, and our teams from Kenya and the United Kingdom have had a full morning engagement, and the purpose of our engagement today was to review the now ongoing security compact arrangement between Kenya and the United Kingdom, which has defined our areas of cooperation in the matters of the security of our two countries. This arrangement began some time back in 2015, was refreshed in 2018, and we've just signed off a new phase to allow Kenya and the United Kingdom to continue collaborating in the fight against terrorism, in the fight against cybercrime, in the fight against organized transboundary crime, including, but not limited to, trafficking in persons, and also illicit financial flows, and a wide array of cooperation to ensure